At the beginning of 20th century, one industrialist emerged who shook the whole economy of America or perhaps the world, respected by many industrialists of that time as well as now. He was the founder of a famous car company named Ford, none other than Henry Ford. Becoming such a great business magnate, he met with many temporary defeats, not only at the beginning of his automobile career, but also after he accumulated a fortune. But he never lost faith in his desire, and he has become successful in achieving his desire. This happened not because of his superior mind. Then what was that? He had burning desire, knowledge, and mindful ideas. We have already seen how these principles are important to become rich in our previous videos. If you haven't seen them, then we recommend you to see them first and then come back here. After learning all these principles, what's required is implementation. But for that, we need sound planning. That's exactly what Ford has done. He adopted and followed a plan which proved to be sound, and he had gone far towards the top. He created new plans and went marching on to a financial victory.
Definite planning is very important. When the word planning comes in our mind, what we think is, am I able to implement my plan even if I made any? What if everything goes wrong? And because of these negative feelings, we never initiate any plan. Therefore, always remember, when your plan fails, that's temporary defeat, not a permanent failure. It may only mean that your plans have not been sound. Build another plans. Start all over again. There is no rich on this planet who never faced defeat.
There are two types of people in the world, leaders and followers. Both need planning for accumulation of money. In the case of a leader, he must possess qualities like unwavering courage, self-control, keen sense of justice, definiteness of plan, cooperation, habit of doing more than paid for, etc. If we are able to make this the basis of leadership, we will get lots of opportunities to lead in our life. Not everyone is born with qualities of leaders. Therefore, we have a large number of followers. A person who follows a leader more efficiently can develop leadership qualities more rapidly. Such a follower is called an intelligent follower. That's what we need to learn for the accumulation of money. Everyone enjoys doing what is suitable for them, such as an artist loves to paint, musicians love to play an instrument, writers love to write. The one who don't have any definite talent give preferences to field like businesses and industries. We need to analyze ourselves, our talent, capabilities, so that we can figure out what kind of advantages we are able to offer best. For that, we should learn how to sell our services. Planning will not complete without Mastermind Alliance. Mastermind means coordination of knowledge and efforts in the spirit of harmony between two or more people for the achievement of a definite purpose. Aligning yourself with a group of such people will be beneficial for carrying out your plan for the accumulation of money. There are some points we need to understand about Mastermind. First, before forming an alliance with a mastermind, we have to decide what kinds of advantages and benefits we can offer every individual member of your group in return of their cooperation. Second, arrange meetings with your mastermind group at least twice a week until you have jointly finalized the necessary plan. Third, maintain perfect harmony between yourself and your mastermind group members. If you fail to do so, you may expect to meet failure. Henry Ford also whipped his obstacles like illiteracy, poverty, and ignorance by allying himself with great minds. Ford's most outstanding achievements began when he added his own brain power, the sum and substance of intelligence, experience and knowledge of his mastermind alliance. In this way, we can accumulate great fortune by mastering sound planning with the alliance of mastermind group. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't watched our previous video, then please do watch. We also recommend you to watch our next video. Don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time to make you again a wise pursuer of your dreams.